over Ghana. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome and subscribe. This video today is another amazing episode over here in Accra, Ghana. Actually, I'm in the capital city, that's Accra, Ghana. And before that, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today I'm going to show you the Accra that I've never showed you, actually, or the Accra that no TV has ever shown you. So we're going to move around here, and of course I'm not alone. I'm also with a Ghanaian girl here. Hey,
Tina Male. I'm also a Ghanaian YouTuber taking Claude around.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
So guys, it's not your very first time to see her actually on this YouTube channel. She has been taking me around on the other videos that you saw. We went to the university. Now we are on this other side. So Tina Male,
Yeah.
she's going to be our tour guide today in Accra. So we are going to see Accra that we have never seen. Okay, so let's keep on moving. So actually this is the city center over here in Accra, Ghana. Despite that we have been moving on the other side of maybe East Legon, the cantonments, about the rich neighborhoods, but I have never showed you about this amazing city center itself by foot. So this day today, before I move to Kenya or before I go to another destination, she just reached out and said, hey man, I'm also a content creator over here, we can do videos around. And she was like, I can show you Ghana that no one has ever shown you Ghana. And of course we are walking over here in these amazing streets with her over here. Yeah, so she's an amazing tour guide. So if you are traveling from maybe other countries and coming over here, reach her out. Also on Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh.
My Instagram handle is _Tina Male.
Oh wow, amazing. So she's taking us around in this beautiful area by foot. As you told you, like today we want to see it by foot, you know. We want to see the Accra that you have been talking about, Accra. And people are like, man, show us Accra. So this is Accra. We have Cedi house over here. Cedi means like money, right?
Yeah, that is our currency.
Oh, okay. So it's really nice. Let's keep on moving. Cedi house. I think all your money is being processed in here, right? Be careful.
No, our monies are processed outside.
Outside?
Outside of Ghana.
Oh man. Woo, not in here. Alright guys, let's keep on moving. Let's see what's happening on this side. And on literally on this side. Oh man. Okay. Wow. This guy of this car hasn't followed the rules, so he was just like crossing on the other side. Wow. So it's like a financial institute over here, right? Cedi house. This is the Ghana they never show you. And what about this?
This is the Africa Trade House.
Oh, Africa Trade House.
That's what you can see most of.
Oh, we see Kenya. 1, 2, 3. Kenyan flag. Number 3. Oh, guys. Our Kenya is over there. Kenyan flag. We have all the African countries over here. Wow. It's amazing. The other side. Trade Center. It's called Accra Trade Center. Ooh. They detected the camera. So we are moving in these amazing clean streets of what we call like of Accra. Very nice and great. You see the tall buildings, very nice buildings. This is the bank, and in which we really restricted filming near the financial institutions, so I will not show it much. So on this other side, wow, Ghana is beautiful. Ghana is nice.
So the National Theatre.
Oh, over here we have.
Remember I told you. This is the National Theatre of Ghana, where major events are held.
Oh, okay. So we can make a move over there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, oh, sorry for the wind. Oh, let's move before these crazy people. This guy just stole the rain. Okay, just continue moving, guys. You know we are moving in a traffic, so without obeying the rules. Sorry, I'm showing you my Kenyan crazy ways. Ooh, from this side, wow, this now you'll see the city center itself. Over here to the other side of these amazing areas. Wow, wow, it's the craziness and madness of the trotros and the motorbikes around these sides. It's really great and nice, so we can move. I will be moving straight to the theater. We see how it's going on. Welcome into the theater.
Yeah.
So you say this is where everything usually happens?
Yeah. Most major events happen here. The awards and everything.
The awards and everything. Are we allowed to go in?
I think there is a program right now.
Oh, okay.
For GCB.
Okay.
Ghana Commercial Bank is having a program.
Oh.
That is why we have a lot of events.
Oh, okay. But a lot of stuffs do happen here. It's like KICC, guys, in Kenya, like where most of the events do happen. Actually, they are held in a theater like this, or Kenya theater, or movie theater in Kenya, something like that. So also they have here National Theater over here in this side. And you people have Ghana Conventional Centers?
Conventional center.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
So this, I think this acts as a conventional center. Or it's only,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
okay. Oh
Yeah.
wow. Where maybe meetings do happen.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow, it looks nice
They
and
do a
good.
lot of stuff here.
Inside.
Meetings and all of that, yeah.
Oh wow. And it's surrounded very nice and great. Ghanaian continental Chinese. I see it over there. Alright guys, we are here cruising in this other side with Tina Male. She told me today I want to show you Ghana that you have not seen on this side. And of course I'm seeing it in a broad daylight on this side. Okay. Oh, wow. And the sun is too high. The UVs are killing us over here, but
That is Ghana for you.
it's Ghana for us.
Ghana for you.
It's burning my forehead. This is beautiful. It's called National Theatre. And also on the other hand, it acts as a conventional center. This is a parking lot on the other side. Wow. Ghana that you have not seen. And this is the office of what? Okay. Local government service. Wow. I think where we are, it's more of, sorry, I think where we are, it's more of offices, right?
Offices, yeah, government offices.
Government offices. Wow, that's why it's more developed with high skyscrapers.
The Kempinski Hotel is right there.
That's Kempinski.
At the back of this building.
Okay.
Kempinski is there.
Wow. Kempinski, just they know very well where to strategize, you know.
Yeah.
Near government offices, they know very well that if we are here at the government, they always have meetings. So they know where to win. Wow, and I love about that. Very, very nice. I wish some days I can collaborate with them so that they can give me their ideas. They are always near government offices. Yeah. Very. The what?
That is Kempinski.
Oh, over there. It's Kempinski. Oh, wow. Nice.
Such a beautiful place.
Very busy. With me, when it comes to what we call like comparison, I do really see over here as one of the best places actually to be in. Zenith Bank. Okay. Okay, we can cross. Wow, it's a lot of banks. I do fear to fill in banks because mostly people think, because I don't want commotion with the securities, because they can ask you, why are you doing this? Well, who sent you? And sorry. Okay, so
I love the way they build it.
The way they built this. Wow. What is this socialist Zenith Bank?
It's Zenith is in then Society General.
Oh wow. Yeah. Zenith Bank. Zenith Socialist Bank. Societe Generale Ghana. Wow.
That's
I think
one of the banks with the most beautiful bank buildings.
Oh wow.
Their bank buildings are beautiful everywhere.
It's like an army bank, something like that. Because the general.
Because of the name.
Yes.
I
The
don't
general.
think so.
You know, when it tells me general, it shows you like, okay, it can be.
It can be.
Okay.
It can be.
Okay. Let's wait and see. We are talking about this, and also you see it's very highly like guarded off with a lot of securities on the other side of this site in Ghana. Sukasa ni casa. Okay. Thank you so much. Help me appreciate her by saying thank you by subscribing to her YouTube channel, and actually let's make her to 2K subscribers. And second, Joseph sent me here. She has been so nice and great, and actually I've acquired much knowledge over here in Accra, Ghana. So thank you so much, and let's see you in our next video. Bye.